Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you today? What we've got for you today is a lovely, I think, a lovely, elegant fountain pen. Now, for you regular viewers who watch my videos on a regular basis, you would have seen the pen in my last pen haul here. There you go, look at that. Little bit unusual. Okay, very nice indeed. And here's the pen in question. What I've done is just checked it over, just given it a slight polish, cleaned everything, and it's now ready to go to a new owner. It's a lovely, lovely pen. What we've got for you here is, again, for you people that are actually out there that, yeah, sometimes I get pronunciations wrong. It's just my accent. What we've got is an Yves Saint Laurent fountain pen. Now, first of all, the sort of Yves Saint Laurent or Saint Laurent, people will know the name because they're still around now, and they're very, very much into, well, it's actually a luxury brand. I think they're involved with fashion. I know they're actually involved with sort of perfumes, etc. You see their adverts on the TV daily. Cosmetics maybe as well. So yeah, in mainly, they are mainly a luxury brand. And again, still around today. So it's quite unusual to see a fountain pen made by Yves Saint Laurent. Now, was it made by Yves Saint Laurent or Laurent, whatever? I personally think this pen may have actually been made by Watermans, or I think it was made by another manufacturer. And again, my money is on this being made by Watermans in France. Now, if any of you people out there know any different, leave a comment below, because as we've said always, we're always learning sort of new facts and learning about new pens every day. So if anybody's got a little bit of information on this pen, please share it with us. Now, just doing a little bit of Googling, I have actually seen, different pens made by Yves Saint Laurent. I've seen sort of little fat ones. I've seen a similar one to this one, which is quite a stubby pen. So they actually brought out numerous pens. But this one comes in this black lacquer with gold plated or gold filled trim in gorgeous condition. And again, for me, as I said, I think it's a lovely, elegant fountain pen. The size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's approximately 141 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's 9.5 millimeters in diameter. So it's quite a long, slim or slender fountain pen. It comes with this quite a large sort of cap band, if you like, there. It's got the word Yves Saint Laurent on the cap band, as you can see there. Then we go up and we've got this lovely sort of slim, slender clip, as you can see there, which is squared off at the top. And incidentally, a nice little touch. There we go. Look at that. It's actually spring loaded, so make it nice and secure when you pop it in your pockets. And then to the cap as well, we've got these three, I would say, sort of chiseled out bands, as you can see there. Okay, very nice indeed. And then to the top there, we've got this sort of little dome top to the very top of the cap, as you can see there. And to the bottom, we've got this little band here, and also this slightly domed end to the barrel. So all in all, I think it's quite a modern pen. I don't know, maybe, you know, the 1980s, 1990s. Again, I'm not 100% sure. But, as I've already mentioned, a very elegant fountain pen. Okay, so it's got a push on, push off or friction cap. Okay, let's show you the pen in numerous different angles, and I'm sure there'll be somebody out there that'll enjoy this pen for many, many years to come. Now, let's unscrew the section for you. Now, at the moment, there's nothing inside. It is a cartridge converter fountain pen. You can see these brass threads here and the sort of brass innards there. Okay, so it's a cartridge converter, as I said. Now, when I actually sort of found this pen, it did actually come with a, there we go, an Yves Saint Laurent converter, as you can see. Now, the problem being, I don't know if you can see, there's some swelling to the converter. So it works to the top end of the converter, and then at the bottom there, you can feel that there's no, you know, there's nothing, no suction. So there's some slight swelling. So unfortunately, the converter has actually failed. But what we'll do, we'll try and find a replacement converter so that the new owner can fill the pen with his favourite ink and enjoy the pen for many years to come. The section, you can see, is made from the same material as the pen. It's got this little cap band to the top of the section there, which I assume is a, you know, like a clutch ring for when you actually put the cap back on. And then if we take you to the nib, okay, you can see it's got the sort of YSL for Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, so it's their logo. And then just to the left, to the bottom, you'll see it's got 18 karat. And then just to the right there, it's got the 750. So we've got a lovely 18 karat gold nib. So very nice indeed. There's a sideways view for you. We've got the feed underneath there. So I've cleaned everything. Well, to be honest with you, it didn't need a lot of cleaning. Whether it has actually been used or not in the past, I'm not too sure. But it's ready to go, and it's lovely, lovely and clean. Now, because we haven't got a converter in the pen, what we'll do, it'll be interesting to see how the pen writes. So I'm just going to simply do a dip test for you people. So let's dip the pen in the ink to my right here, and let's see how it writes. So what we've got is a Yves Saint or San. Trying to think how you spell it. Okay, so Yves Saint Laurent fountain pen. Again, I'm saying made in France. And again, dating it, I don't know, maybe the 1980s, 1990s, maybe a little bit later. If anybody out there knows, as I said, get in touch. I don't expect it to have any flex on the nib. It's quite a stiff nib. But writing very nicely indeed. And I'd say writing with, I don't know, I'd say a medium line. But a lovely writer with this 18 karat gold nib. So let's pop that to one side. Let's get the nib a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean the nib before we send it off to a new customer. We need to find a new home for the pen, and then let's replace the cap. There you go. Closes with a lovely satisfied click. So there we have it. In my opinion, a lovely, elegant Yves Saint Laurent Slimline lacquered, black lacquered fountain pen in lovely, lovely condition. So don't forget, people, down below, help us out, leave a comment if you know anything about the pen. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you will, don't forget. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this lovely pen, I'm just going to say bye-bye for now.